You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this very common word in English. Very common, but the spelling makes it a little bit confusing. So let's break down the pronunciation once and for all, how to pronounce this word correctly. Both British and American English pronunciations are similar, as delete, de. So for the first syllable, you can either say de with a bit of a schwa sound or di, a short e sound. It's generally pronounced as di. Delete. The second syllable is a long e sound. Essentially, you could rearrange the spelling and put the last E before the T, so you'd have L-E-E-T. Delete. Delete. Delete is how to pronounce it correctly, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.